Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing slash review on my Henry and Cary Pets water dispenser. Definitely suitable for maybe smaller dogs or cats. So here's everything that you get. Right off the bat, I just want to point how nice and sturdy it is. Very clean looking, stainless steel, as you can see. This is the actual it's a wireless filter, and you hook it up through right here, which is a Type-C connection, and they do give you the charger for it. Here are the little filters for the water as well. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble it to get it going. They also give you the screwdriver too, in case you need to replace the filter on it. So let's get it built. All right, we went ahead and got it assembled. Super easy installation. They do give you the user manual. Like I said, just a few couple parts. We're gonna go ahead and put the water in and see if Millie likes it. All right, I went ahead and brought some water. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up. It does have a max and a minimal here, so we're just going to start pouring the water. I don't know if I brought enough to fill it all the way to the max, but we'll find out. All right, not all the way to the max, but that should do. Perfect. Perfect. If you double tap, bam. As you can see, my dog Millie went straight to it. For whatever reason, the little streams kind of had her weirded out, so she was just kind of drinking from the sides. But as you can see, she actually does enjoy it, especially here where I live. We definitely need the purified water, so highly recommend. 10 out of 10.